All right. Here we go. First question. Define the word ion. Bonus points for cation and anion.
Ion?
Yeah, go for it.
It's a charged atom.
Okay.
A cation and an anion are different charges, positive and negative.
Yep.
Yep.
Cation is missing.
Can you name the chemical symbol for gold?
AU.
Au. Okay. Good. What is a valence electron?
Is that an electron that's on the outer ring?
You guys are too smart. Too smart.
Like super professional.
Okay. All right, Lindsay.
Jack.
I'm going to ask you 5 questions
Okay.
and see how many you can get right. These are basic, entry-level, high school chemistry questions. All right, ready? Let's go for the first one. Okay, here's an easy one. Name the only metal that is liquid at room temperature.
Mercury.
1 for 1. All right, next one. Define the word ion. And I'll give you bonus points if you can define cation and anion.
An ion is it's like an unstable particle, right?
Close. It's an atom with a charge.
Okay.
And then cations are positive, anions are negative.
Great, okay.
All right. Okay.
Do I get half a point for that?
We'll give half a point. So we're at 1.5.
Great.
Let's see. Okay. What are protons, neutrons, and electrons, and name their charges?
Proton is positive, neutron is neutral, and electron is negative.
Okay.
And they are parts of an They're parts of an atom. In fact, when I have to dress up as a superhero, I'm always the unnamed Planeteer from Captain Planet who has the plasma power.
All right. Last
Make sure R2's facing.
last question. What's a valence electron, and how many does an atom need to be stable?
That depends entirely on the electron's upbringing and its family system. So if it was really cared for as a mother, it probably only needs like 6 or 7, and if it didn't get the care it needed, especially in those first 2 years of life, it needs at least 23.
That's a no. A valence electron is the amount of electrons on the outer ring. Okay, and if it only has 1 ring, so hydrogen or helium, it needs 2. Everything else needs 8. Okay. All right. Question number 1. She got
Okay. I got 3 points.
Lindsay. Half. Your husband and Charles did it, but they don't count.
No.
Because they got all of them right. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. What is the chemical symbol for gold?
Oh, it's something really weird. It doesn't have anything to do with anything.
It's it has to do with the Latin root.
Right. I don't know.
Okay, I'll give you a redeeming point. It doesn't. That one doesn't count if you can name the chemical symbol for lead.
No, but I know water, H2O.
That's no. Gold is AU, and then lead is PB.
PB.
Yeah, here's a little fun fact for you. That is correct. It's PB, and that's the Latin term, and it's plumbum, which is the full name, which is why plumbers are called plumbers, because they work on lead pipes.
Come on, I love that kind of information.
I know, isn't that neat?
This is
All
really
right,
worth it.
let's go. Okay. What is a valence electron?
I don't know.
Okay. It is an electron on the outer ring of electrons, okay? Now,
Proton's something else. I like
proton is something else, indeed. That's a good one. What are protons, neutrons, and electrons? And bonus points if you can name which one of them has comparatively no mass on an atomic scale.
Protons, electrons, and what was the other thing?
Neutrons.
Neutrons. Oh, yeah. The neutrons are the negative ones.
No.
No. I don't know. I just know that.
Okay. Protons and neutrons are protons are positive, neutrons are neutral, and they're both in the middle.
Oh.
Electrons are negative. They float around the outside. They all make up the atom. Okay? But electrons are so tiny that they comparatively have no mass on an atomic scale. So it's the mass
Why
of
should we care?
the mass of an atom is the protons plus the neutrons.
Can I tell you that my chemistry teacher in college was my across the hall neighbor? And so that's how I got through the class. By knowing that family. I don't know.
Okay.
Do you know how old I am? 70 years old. This was 100 million years ago that I took these classes.
So they don't
But
count?
I know algebra.
Okay, algebra.
I use algebra at home.
All right, so.
Are
all
they
right.
about cooking and chemistry? Because I know that.
No,
Okay.
incorrect. That is
Darn.
0 for 1. Okay. All
No,
right.
that doesn't count as a question.
Okay,
No.
okay, sure. Fine. All right. Name the. No, that's a hint. Name all the states of matter. Go.
All the states of matter?
Yes.
Solid, liquid, gas.
And.
Wait, I know there's one more. I forgot.
Plasma.
Oh, I don't think I know plasma.
Oh, well, it's one of them. It's a state of matter.
Oh, I now
It's
need
just
to
like
go
really,
research
really,
it.
really, really, really fast atoms. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Fun fact.
Now I'm gonna go. I'll Google that.
All
now
right.
I'm curious.
What? Ooh, here's a good one. Name a metal liquid at room temperature.
Mercury.
Good one. All right. So you're 1 for 2. 3 more questions to go. What is a valence?
Wait, I got 3 out of 4. That's
No.
good for half.
Okay, sure. Half credit.
Just
Half
saying.
credit. Okay. What is a valence electron, and how many does an atom need to be stable?
Wait, say it again.
A valence
A
electron.
valence electron. I do not know what a valence electron
Okay.
is. Cool.
Yeah.
You should get an A on that.
I hope so. Hear that, Miss Erickson? A right here. What's an ion?
An ion?
Yeah.
It's a really cool Saturn car that they don't make anymore.
That is-
And we really, really like it, but ours got crashed. But it's an awesome Saturn Ion. It's a great car.
Incorrect. It's a, it's an atom.
No.
It's an atom with an electric charge gained by either gaining electrons or losing
I
electrons.
was joking.
You were incorrect.
No, I used to drive a Saturn Ion.
Oh, nice.
So I do know what an ion is.
All right, last
You
one.
weren't specific.
Last one. What is the chemical formula for the common table salt? I think you should get this one.
NaOH.
No.
No?
No. First two are right. Second one's wrong. Oh, here, I'll give you a hint. The full name?
It's sodium hydroxide.
No, it's sodium chloride.
Oh, what's sodium hydroxide? That's actually a very dangerous chemical combination, isn't
So you
it?
probably shouldn't eat that with your Ritz
Yeah,
crackers.
NaCl.
NaCl. Got it. So you were 3 out of 5?
I get a half of
3 out of
that.
5? That's passing, I think. Maybe.
It's a D.
That's a C. Or no, that's a
No, 3 out of
60%.
5.
D.
Yeah, it's a D.
At Pioneer, that's passing. So you get your,
Look at
you
me.
get your
I
credits.
just passed.
I should pass this or I should pass this project too.
You really know valence.
I really know valence electrons.
Electrons, so you
yes.
should definitely get
All
a
right.
on that part.
Your first question. Name 3 chemical properties and 3 physical properties.
Chemical properties and
Yep.
physical properties.
Yep.
I don't even know. I wouldn't
No?
even remember the
All right.
names of like. Yeah.
Physical properties are things like boiling point and color, looks, smell.
Okay.
And then chemical properties are like whether or not it oxidizes
Okay.
or if it reacts with water, reacts with acid, things like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Name the 3 kinds of graphs and when they're used.
3 kinds of graphs. Be interesting. Like I only deal with like number graphs and like I'm thinking like charts, so graphs.
You're on the right track. You want me to give you this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So bar graph,
Okay. Yeah. Bar.
pie graph,
Yeah.
line graph.
Got it.
So bar graph is comparing different amounts.
Yep.
A pie graph is comparing parts of a whole.
Yep.
And then a line graph is just change over time.
Cool.
All right. Name 10 things that emit radiation.
10 things that emit radiation. Microwaves.
Yep.
Let's see, what else? Maybe some sort of, maybe refrigerators of some sort. Cars, ships.
Okay. You're making it a lot harder than it is.
Okay, what?
Literally everything.
Oh, okay.
Everything emits radiation. It's
Okay.
like small amounts, but everything emits radiation.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Two more. What's an isotope?
An isotope.
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't remember. Something that iso, like solo something
No.
only. Okay.
It's an element, and then it's different masses of an element.
Okay.
So like carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. It has more neutrons in it, so it's the same element, but it's just heavier.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, last one. What are the 4 fundamental forces?
Fundamental forces.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you mean like wind?
No.
No. Gravity?
Gravity's 1.
Okay.
Gravitational force. Yeah.
Gravitation.
Think attraction
Oh.
for one of them.
Yeah. That made me just think of neurons. Magnetic?
Electromagnetic. I'll give you that one.
Okay.
Then there's 2 more.
Huh.
These ones.
What's the original question again? Forces?
The 4 fundamental forces.
Fundamental forces. Gravity, electromagnetic.
The last 2 aren't that hard. They're pretty simple.
Oh, they're just there.
It's just you want
Go
a
ahead. Yeah.
strong force and weak force.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. It's pretty dumb. All right, and that's it. Thank you. All right. Name the 3 types of radiation.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, it's alpha, beta, and gamma. Can you tell me which one's the most harmful?
Alpha,
And which one's the least harmful?
gamma.
Okay. So 1 for 2. 2 more questions. What's a half-life?
Oh, it's the amount of time it takes for a molecule or element or whatever to get to half its mass.
Mm-hmm. That's right. All right, last one. What are the 3 types of bonds? Bonds. B-O-N-D.
Chemical bond, physical bond, molecular bond.
No. It's ionic bond, covalent bond, and a metallic bond.
All right. She's eating something.
Done.